There's been a lot of talk lately about Android P's new navigation gesture system. But for those who are unaware, the Redmi Note 5, the Redmi Note 5 Pro, and the Redmi Note 5 Plus from Xiaomi also has a gesture navigation system built within one of the latest versions of MIUI. So today I want to show you how to enable the navigation gestures feature on the Redmi Note 5 series, and then show you how that works in place of having the back, home, and recents button. So to start, we need to change and enable this feature, so we're going to go ahead and launch the settings application. And we're going to scroll down a bit to the system and device section, and then tap on the full screen display option. Now right here, we're going to have more than half the screen giving us a demonstration of both feature options. So by default, we're going to have the buttons mode enabled. And again, that gives us our back, home, and recents button at the bottom in the navigation bar that is always on display unless it is in immersive mode. However, we can also switch this over to full screen gestures. And when that's done, it will remove the navigation bar entirely. So whenever we have the navigation gestures feature enabled on the Redmi Note 5 series, we're going to be replacing these three buttons with either a swipe from the left or a swipe from the right to take us back. The full swipe up from the center will take us home. And then a half swipe up from the center bottom will bring us to the recents page. So again, we can either swipe from the left or swipe from the right, and we'll go back. We can do a full swipe from the bottom to take us back home to the home screen. Or we can do a half a swipe and hold it at that half swipe to bring up the recents page. Now personally, I love this navigation gesture method over Android P's implementation, mainly because it removes the navigation bar entirely. The whole reason to have navigation gestures is to get rid of that bar and have the screen take up, and your apps take up the full screen. To have it both to where we're using gestures and that bar is there at the bottom just seems useless in my opinion. So there you have it. That is how to enable the navigation gestures feature on the Redmi Note 5, the Redmi Note 5 Plus, and the Redmi Note 5 Pro with one of the latest versions of MIUI 9.